Hey, so we're going to do this quick little video where I talk about what I want you to do for homework, where we're looking at questions 3 and 4. So I want to remind you that these two questions are based on chapters 1 through 5 all together. So you can use all of those pages to be able to answer these. This will also hopefully help you prepare as we get ready for our quiz on chapters 1 through 5, which will be in teams during class a day next week. It's not exactly, there's more than just these two questions on the quiz, but as you review and look back through the chapters, hopefully that will help. So first is now question 3, list 4 or more rules that everyone in the community must follow. So if we're going to underline and highlight those key words, first of all, list. Let's talk about that word. If this is a English class written answer, do you think I want a bulleted list? No. If we were actually going to write this out, I would actually have you give me a topic sentence about the fact that they have to follow community rules, and then you would have sentences where you list. You would use transition words. One rule is, another rule is, etc. It is not a bulleted list. So we're not going to highlight that word because that tends to confuse some of us. We want 4 or more. So perhaps you want to underline or highlight 4, but we definitely are picking out rules everyone in the community must follow. My highlighter is not working, but you got the idea there. All right, let's take a look at the next one. In section 1, which is chapters 1 through 5, we learned that all members of the community receive an assignment at a certain time during their lives. What is an assignment? Can you compare this in any way to our society? If so, how? So let me try my highlighter again, see if it's going to work for me. Obviously, this assignment, we're going to explain what an assignment is in a community. Then you're going to explain and connect, compare it to our society. Probably verbally right now, you could easily say to me, oh yeah, it's like their job. Right? And explain that. You can tell me how it's similar and or different. Compare kind of goes both ways. All right, instead of writing out the complete answer, what we are going to do is come down to the chart. This is the part that you'll need to do for homework, where you are going to pull out a quote. You're looking for 4 different rules, and it should be pretty easy to find. Every chapter mentions at least 1 rule, if not more. So put down a quote. We have 4 that are here. You'll explain what you believe the meaning of that rule is. And was there more than that? Nope. Explaining why you think they must follow that. And then the last one, I'm only asking you to do 1 quote about what you think an assignment is. I think as we get into chapter 3 is really where we first start to learn about, chapter 2, we learn that Jonas is nervous about the ceremony coming up in December, but they don't really say what he's nervous about. Chapter 3 is when they start to talk about assignments. So there's your key place to go is chapter 3, and explaining that over here. And notice, you don't need to come down. You do not need to do topic sentences. You do not need to write out your answer yet. Okay, so I'm trying to simplify it a little bit for you on this. We're just gathering evidence. Good luck. Talk to you later.